Is managing product data a challenge in your company? Are your processes still manual, resulting in bottlenecks and rework? Is your data decentralized and hindering the launch of new products? Discover SoftExpert PLM, the most comprehensive software solution for the effective management of the product lifecycle. Capture, evaluate, and prioritize all portfolio initiatives with agility and ease. Manage your projects efficiently and control every step of development. Store any type of content related to the product in a centralized repository. Collect and analyze data easily using statistical process control. Address defects before they occur with failure mode and defect analysis management. Perform root cause analysis of nonconformities accurately and ensure that corrective and preventive actions are followed. Manage product data consistently with PDM. View and share the list of materials across your organization. Simplify communications with your partners, whether customers or suppliers, and promote a collaborative experience. Using interactive portals, view patterns, trends, and deviations in real time, and get inputs to make accurate decisions. Improve the lifecycle management of your products from conception to delivery and follow up with SoftExpert PLM. For more information, please visit our website, www.softexpert.com, or email us at sales@softexpert.com.